Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to check or identify an unknown caller on your iPhone. Let's get started. So, here are the methods to check unknown callers. So, you can use the recent calls on iPhone app. Open the phone app and tap recents and find the unknown number and tap the info icon to see the details like location or carrier. And also, you can use Siri lookup because sometimes Siri can identify if the number is linked to a business. Also, you can check with the Truecaller or similar apps. Download the Truecaller or another caller ID app. These apps help identify spam or scam or unknown callers. And also, you can contact your carrier because some mobile carriers like Globe, Smart, and more provide caller ID services. You can enable it in their settings or app. And take note that if the caller hides their number with no caller ID, you won't be able to see it directly, but your carrier may offer anonymous call rejection or you can ask them to trace option. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.